Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable DPM, which is the standby mode. So, the standby mode is just a thing that can reduce your power consumption in monitor, and it just enables the screen saver. So, at first we have to enter the settings menu. If you don't know how to enter the settings menu, you can actually enter our channel because we have a video for that. In the settings menu we have to scroll to general and here system. Now to additional settings, and here scroll down to DPM standby mode. We can enable that or disable that with a single switch. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.